How to add music to a photo in Capcut and save it as a video. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to save a photo as a video by adding music on it on Capcut. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, go ahead and open up Capcut and create up a new project and then select up a photo from your gallery, whichever you want. For example, this one right here, and click on add. Once you've added the photo in this timeline, it will appear right here in this section. So what you can do in order to add audio is, you can find an audio tab in the bottom right here beside edit. On the second option, just go ahead and tap on it. And you can select up sound. So you can either extract the sound from the available videos, or you can also use available sounds in Capcut. For now, I'm using an available sound. For example, this one right here, and tap on plus beside it. Once it is added, you will be finding the audio right below the picture. So in order to make a photo or video, what you can do is simply tap on the photo and then just stretch it out until you want, like how much second you want the video to be. For example, 15 seconds. So you can just go ahead and place it to 15 seconds. And after that is done, you can just cross out the rest of the audio and delete it. And then when you export this particular video, it will be exported as a video in your gallery. So that is how you add up music in a photo and export it as a video using Capcut application. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on next one.